Rogers Streaming through Rogers Ignite TV lets you access a variety of apps directly on your TV and other devices. Installation depends on your device. On Ignite TV boxes, apps are typically preloaded or available via the Apps menu. For smartphones and tablets, search for the Rogers Ignite TV app in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download it. Some smart TVs, Xbox, and streaming devices like Roku and Fire TV also support the Ignite TV app, which you can find in their respective app stores. Once installed, the sign-in process requires your Rogers account credentials. This is the same My Rogers login you use for your Rogers bills and account management. Open the app and select the Sign In option. Enter your Rogers username and password. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in your My Rogers account. After logging in, you'll have access to live TV, on-demand content, and the integrated apps available through Rogers Streaming. The Rogers Streaming platform integrates streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. If you are having issues signing in, ensure your account is in good standing and that you have an active internet connection. If your internet connection is spotty, this could lead to issues signing in to the Rogers Streaming platform. To make the most of your Rogers Streaming experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Rogers recommends a minimum of 25 Mbps for HD streaming. For 4K content, a faster connection is preferable. Regularly update the Rogers Ignite TV app to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements. Keeping apps up to date also minimizes security risks and exploits. Most devices automatically update apps, but it's a good idea to manually check for updates periodically. Be mindful of data usage, especially if you have a limited data plan. Streaming in HD can consume 1 to 3 gigabytes per hour. Monitor your data usage via the Rogers app to avoid overage charges. If you experience buffering or lag, try closing other apps or devices using your internet connection. You can also try restarting your modem and Ignite TV box. For voice control, integrate your Ignite TV with Amazon Alexa. This allows you to change channels, search for content, and control playback using voice commands. You can also use Google Assistant for voice control. This enables setting alarms, controlling streaming, and other commands. Finally, explore parental control options to filter content and manage viewing times for children. Setting appropriate restrictions ensures a safe and suitable streaming experience for the whole family. Take advantage of features like Resume Watching to continue your shows and movies seamlessly across different devices.